Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix Reddit blurry image issue, you've come to the right place. So first of all, the main problem can be it's because you turned on blur not safe for view images. But if it's turned off and your image is still blurry, you have a few options how to solve this problem. So first of all, make sure that your Reddit is updated. So find the Reddit in Google Play, open it, and make sure that it says open and not update. Also, you can go to settings, and here you need to find apps, find Reddit, and in storage and cache you need to clear storage and cache. Once you've done that, your problem should be solved. And also make sure that you have good internet connection. If you have problem with it, you need to solve it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.